After you have these 12 clips out, you can remove this valance and put it in a safe place. Once that valance is gone, you can now take out these 4 10mm bolts. And put your grill in a safe place. Once you successfully have your grill off, you can then move to the 4 main bumper bolts. One there, one down there. I know it's kind of hard to see. One down there, and one right there. Once you have those bolts off, you can then go ahead and take off the side brackets. And these are 15mm. Get them loosened up, and you can do them by hand. After you loosen the 2 bolts on each side and take out the farthest bolt completely out, you take this clip, get a flathead screwdriver, pry that out, and then wiggle, and it comes right apart. And now all you gotta do is take off the 4 bolts and pull your bumper completely off. So when you take this off, you're gonna want to put rags on either side so you don't scratch your fenders and cause paint damage. Find smoke show to help you take it off. It's extremely easy with 2 people. So once your bumper is completely off, you're going to want to take these 15mm bolts out and take the entire bracket off. I did the driver's side one. I took the 15mm bolts out. I put our plate behind it, and then I put our bolts with the washers on the outside. This is roughly 3/4 of an inch, which should be plenty to clear the 22x12s. Now I'm going to go ahead, put up my spacer kit in there, and I'll do the other side, and then we'll catch up. Goes with the washer through your frame mount, and your spacer goes on the back side in between your frame mount and your bracket. Your new bolts are 16mm. You're going to want to leave them a little bit loose because I can almost guarantee I'm going to have to pull that out to adjust it. So these are a little bit loose, and the front ones are as well as a little bit loose. See, just for a fitment. Once I get my good fitment, I'll take my bumper back off and I'll tighten everything up as snug as I can, and then I'll finally install my bumper. And when you put the grill on, you just want to be careful with it so you don't scratch your bumper. Line them all up. I normally just pop the bottom in, and she goes home. There it is, guys. Finished product. So here are some of the tools that I used. I used a pick and a flathead screwdriver for the 12 plastic body clips for the valance above the grill. 10mm, everything included 10mm, for the 4 bolts that hold on the grill. The 15mm is for all of your factory bolts. Now that is for the bumper brackets and the side mounts. All your factory bolts are 15mm. 16mm is for all the new bolts that you get in this kit. And then the 18 is for the 4 main bolts that hold on the bumper. I also have a short ratchet extension setup and a long ratchet extension setup, as well as my impact and my ratchet. That's it for the bumper mod video. This kit will work on 15 to 19 GMC and CHEVY 2500 and 3500 pickups. Hit up Travis, guys. It's a really high quality kit with a really good price, and he's extremely easy to work on. I ordered it Monday, had it Wednesday. This kit only took me about an hour and a half to install. The longest part was the adjustment, and a lot of it comes from the passenger side. You just want to play with it just so it's right, so you have the same gap underneath of each headlight, and that's just do the best you can. It's like a finger or two. But hey guys, just keep following along. I got plenty of mods to do. I got some to the Denali, some to the LBZ, some burnout videos, some racing, some other things I'm thinking about. Leave a comment below. Do you think I should lift or lower the Denali? I'm up in the air. Never had a lifted truck. Never really had a lower truck that is on stock suspension, just with 22x12s. But keep following. I got plenty of things up my sleeve, and if there's something you want to see me do or a part you think that'll help me with my build, you guys recommend, let me know. I'm all about it. I'm learning just like everybody else. But like, comment, subscribe. The more likes, the more videos I can do. You never know. If this video gets to, say, 10,000, 20,000 likes, maybe I'll give one of these kits away as a thank you. But that's all I got for now, but make sure you tune in for the next one. Later.